Have you ever felt nervous at the doctor's office?
Yes, I have. I get worried about explaining how I'm feeling.
Let's practice. I'll be the doctor. Can you make an appointment with me?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Okay, what's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
When did you start feeling bad?
Yesterday evening. I also had a fever.
Okay, let's take a look. Can you come in tomorrow?
That sounds great, thanks.
Just come to the reception desk, and they'll help you.
Do I need to fill out any forms?
Yes, we have a simple form before you see the doctor.
Okay, that's easy.
Great. We'll see you tomorrow then.
Thanks, I'm looking forward to it.
Remember, ask questions at the doctor's office.
Like what?
What's wrong with me? What's the treatment?
Those are great questions. I'll ask them.
That's the spirit. Let's review some key phrases we learned today.
Like what?
I'd like to make an appointment. I have a headache. What's wrong with me?
Those are really useful. Thanks for the practice, Sam.
No problem, Anna. Now, go practice your English.
I will, thanks. And don't forget to practice every day, everyone.
See you in the next video.